Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Xfinity app freezing or responding slowly. First, check your internet as slow or unstable connection can cause the app to lag or freeze. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Then restart your phone to clear system memory and improve all the overall speed. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Xfinity, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version since updates often fix performance issues and bugs. Now, if you are using Android, clear the app's cache from the settings to remove any temporary files that may slow down the app. Then also head over to your settings app and then go to general, then iPhone storage, and check your device storage. Low storage can affect the app performance and can cause lag. Now if the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the app for a fresh start. That's how you fix the Xfinity app's freezing or slow response. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe.